hello Falava ladies and gentlemen. I'm so excited to say welcome back to our cooking show and want to say happy Father's Day in America. Today is a Father's Day so I want to say happy Father's Day all the fathers. I hope your loved ones, your wife, the kids will spoil you father today and forever. I'm going to cook a salmon luau. It's called a palusami. So as you're looking at the table, there's some leaves, cans, the onions, and the salt. I'm so excited that there's another person that add in our show with me and the master chef here. It's a executive manager of the cooking show, Mr. Kennedy by himself, the one and only. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, let's go. Oh, say hi. You take that part out, this part, and you take this, the top part, and you can make in two pieces. So we're going to put here, and this sour leaves, it's clean. I didn't know if it's old or not, but it's clean. Baby, no. Master Chef, can you be patient? Can you be patient, Master Chef? Yeah, be patient.
Hi.
Be patient.
Yeah.
So, you see right here, I can't believe this is a big tulips. See, I never used this in Samoa, but in America, maybe just only in America. And if you see this one,
oh my gosh,
yeah, so big. This one, if you're hot, and you can make a fan in yourself. I mostly forgot this is another part of my ingredients. It's a foil. But in Samoa, we not use the foil. We use the banana leaves and the breadfruit leaves, and to cover the luau inside. So now I'm gonna mix with the foil. I can't really do it with this grind. Hold your hose. Make sure the foil like equal size, like
probably 1.5 feet.
Yeah. Go sleep. Go sleep. If I have a power, sleep. If I have a power, shut up. Now I'm gonna open this can and put inside the apple. Baby, bring the apple, please. This is the next step. I put the coconut cream inside here. Put a little bit of salt. So if you put the salt in, don't put too much, just the taste of the luau. So just put a little, and bring the spoon, baby, and serve the mix with the mushroom. You're gonna wash your hands, clean your hands with soap, and you can squeeze the onion inside here. So now you see I clean my hands, and I'm gonna mix the onion inside the coconut cream. So if you mix, you need to squeeze harder. See? The mix smells nice. Even though the taste is gonna be. Just clean this with the water. And yeah, put a big leaves down like this, or if it's big, you can make a half like this. And squeeze like this, so you make a hole and put this inside. And if you see there's a problem here, the coconut cream is coming out. So I move the leaves now again to try to cover the hole, because some leaves there's a hole in. So I'm trying my best to not make the coconut cream come out and stay inside. Now you see it's not coming out, and you put on top of the foil.
I never saw how you twisted it. That's cool.
So see, one hour we have. Finally get to the last part of the luau. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is a chicken. And put the temperature at 360.
This is frozen taro from Fiji.
So now you see there's no water. Use this coconut cream from the luau. So and put it inside. Now I'm going to open one of the luau and let's see how it tastes like. Ooh!
Oh yeah.
There you see. So now I try to make just try to take out the foil. Okay. Now you see. Ooh, delicious. So it's really good. So now I'm going to taste it. It tastes like luau and taro in Samoa. Going to do a little bit dance for ending our cooking show today. Excuse me. Elefane lapo amatau pau. E papa e ona ni fo ai tosi le su. Le patu a lau te le
Otalinga felle, elefanela po amata. What's the other song?
Is he singing about an elephant? A big fat elephant.
Asavali pa, asavali fa atafa. Eli ole pu elafi ai ole tangata. Ole pu fa I elafi ai le fe. Mana ave fa afele fe le. Oi ala papo a e oso oso I vung. Oi ala iti e pa a pisi. Itaton ole sami. Thank you so much and God bless and subscribe, like and share. Mwah.